Hello students, today you are going to see 2nd Standard Maths Unit 6. The topic of this unit is Information Processing. Come, let's get into the video session.
Unit 6 Information Processing. In this lesson, you will learn about representation of data and drawing inferences, relationship, shapes and nature of objects, algorithms and instructions. Let us see the representations of data and drawing interference with an illustration. Here, observe the living creatures seen in the pond and categorize and record them. So, tick the bird found in more number, crane or duck. Yes, duck found more in number. Tick the creatures found in less number. Yes, turtle found in less number. Tick the bird found in less number. So, dove or duck, which is less in number. Yes, duck is less in number. Dash is seen in large number in the pond. So, which seen large numbers in the pond? Yes, duck is seen a large number in the pond. Among all the living creatures, the least found in the pond is turtle. Let us learn tally marks. Tally marks are lines which represent the number as follows. For the 1, you have to draw 1 vertical line, and 2, you have to draw 2 vertical line. For the 3 vertical lines, and the 4 vertical lines, and the 5, you have to cross the 4 vertical lines before the 5. So, for every fifth count, you have to cross the 4 vertical lines before the fifth count. Arivu the farmer records the number of animals that are seen inside the fence using tally marks. So, animals and the tally marks and the number of animals are the columns given here. First one is a cow. So, you can see 4 lines. So, what is that number of animals? Yes, there are 4 cows are there. Second one is a horse. So, second one is a horse. There are 5 horses. So, they have drawn 4 vertical lines and crossing the 4 is a 5. So, the number of horses is 5. So, now we will see the number of goat. So, here they have drawn 4 lines and crossed the 4 lines is 5. So, 5 plus 2 is 7. And last one is a donkey. So, here we can see 3 donkeys inside the fence. So, you have to draw 3 vertical lines. So, total number of animals inside the fence is 19. Let us learn the relationship. Relationships are very important to a family structure. So, elder means a person who are elder than you, and younger means a person who has a age less than you, and siblings are brothers and sisters. Let's see the conversation between Malar, Cherian and Punyakoti. Malar said, "Grandpa, see there, my friend is coming." Punyakoti replied, "What is his name? I have never seen him before." Malar told Grandpa, "His name is Cherian." Cherian came there and wished Grandpa by saying, "Good morning." Punyakoti asked Cherian, "Good morning, Cherian. Who is your father and what is he?" Cherian replied, "Anbarasan is his father and he is a teacher." Punyakoti replied, "Oh, are you the grandson of Puvarasan?" Cherian replied, "Yes, Grandpa." Let us see Cherian's family. Puvarasan and Navarasi had one son. His name is Anbarasan. Anbarasan's wife is Muttaragi. Anbarasan and Muttaragi has 2 children, Cherian and Vetrichelvi. From the above family tree, let us learn the Cherian's relationship with other members. So, Cherian's grandfather is Puvarasan. Cherian's grandmother is Navarasi. His father is Anbarasan. Mother is Muttaragi. And his younger sister name is Vetrichelvi. The youngest in Cherian's family. Yes, Cherian's sister. Who are all eldest to that Cherian sister? His grandfather, grandmother, father, mother and Cherian. Let us practice. Write the suitable relation for the given box. So now you can see the box, first box here. They have given the picture of Anbarasan and Cheriyan. So what is the relationship between Anbarasan and Cheriyan? Yes, Anbarasan is the father of Cheriyan and Cheriyan is the son of Anbarasan. Now let us see the second picture. See here Poovarasan and Vetrichelvi. So Vetrichelvi is a granddaughter for Poovarasan. Then Poovarasan is a grandfather for Vetrichelvi. And the third one, here they have given the picture of Navarasi and Muttalagi. Muttalagi is daughter-in-law for Navarasi. Then Navarasi is mother-in-law for Muttalagi. There are two children in Cheriyan's family. Who is a sibling of Cheriyan? Yes, his sister. Siblings means the sisters and a brother. Family tree and mention the name and age of your family members in the tree and answer the following questions. So first one, who are the family members elder than you? Grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, elder brother and elder sister. Who are the family members younger than your grandparents? Father, mother, brother, sister and yourself. So how many of your family members are elder than your father? 2. They are grandfather and grandmother. Who are the family members are younger than you? Younger brother and younger sister. How is your father's father related to you? His grandfather. Let us see shapes and nature of objects. Ravi and Vani went to the milk shop and then to the book shop. Observe the objects they have in their hands to collect the items. First they are going to a milk shop. So see the objects what they are having in their hands to collect the milk. So which one is suitable? So who has the most suitable container to buy milk? Yes. Vani has a suitable container to have a milk. If we pour the milk in the plate, it will fall down. Ravi and Vani went to a bookshop to buy a books. So look into the bags. So which bag can be used to buy books? Yes. Vani's bag is suitable to buy books. It can hold a number of books. Materials are stored in different containers based on their properties. Solid materials like rice can be stored in sacks. Liquid materials can only be kept in containers and gases are stored in closed containers. Observe the above picture and match the following. Milk, it will be stored in a glass. And the rice, we can store it in a sack. Water, we can store it in a pot. And fruits, we can store it in a basket. Algorithm. Algorithm is a sequence of instructions that must be followed to get the result. Following algorithm will help to perform tasks easier. Kurali's plaything is different from all of us. Children, did you bring the playthings that I told you yesterday? Yes, ma'am, I brought an indoor game board. Kurali explained the steps to play the board game Ludo. 2 to 4 players can play this board game by rolling a dice. Each player will have 4 coins at the bay. The aim of the game is to take all 4 coins to the end point. Player who does this first will be the winner. The player can take each one of his coins from the bay to the starting point only when he gets one of the dice and moves from there as per the number on the dice. A player can put his opponent's coin back to the bay when his coin gets to occupy the same position as that of the opponent coins. Then the opponent should move the coin once again from the starting point only when he gets one on the dice. Students, hope you all understand this lesson. Thank you.